What can you possibly know about broken hearts? This is the only real way to break one. Flowers for your girlfriend? Oh, what a nice move. But first, let's try out an axe effect. This is the fastest way to change water for flowers. My morning cup of joe. It's a boost of energy for the whole day. And a perfect aim for the hatchet. Oh no. How could you? My morning coffee is a sacred thing. Let's see how strong this coffee is. Yes! Double espresso! Couldn't resist. We'll take something more interesting. This conversation is over. They'll call you later. Wait, what are you doing? Don't hit the phone! Now that's a complete touchscreen. This is the way real men delete their chats. Somebody fix this phone? Cut this nice watermelon. That's some fresh watermelon juice. Let's watch it again. It looks like the slices turned out not identical. Forget about the watermelon. Let's cut open a can of Coca-Cola. Ready? Holidays are coming. Yay! Who wanted a Coca-Cola fountain? How many times did they say, don't shake Coca-Cola before you open it? Seems like we need another can. We need some rest after a fight like that. Let's change Coca-Cola for water. They say it's healthier. Looks like it's been raining here. Or a tidal wave's hit. Thank goodness my hatchet doesn't rust away. Now we coloured some water. No mercy! It's a colourful explosion here. I'll have to change my t-shirt and my head. Whoa, slow down, ball. You've been messing with the wrong person. It's revenge. A ball is a dangerous rival, and it's destroyed. Want some fresh coconut milk? There is one issue. This coconut doesn't have a cap. It's great that I've got my hatchet. Spilled some milk. But there is still pulp. Did you like our video? Then don't forget to subscribe and share our channel with your friends. We know how to amaze you.